Well, good morning, navigator. How are you this morning? I am where it's snowy, about to hit the shower. So I thought I'd do a little vlog on the shower this morning that I'm taking at the Rochelle Pilot. You like my shirt? Good blood. You can save a life. All right, let me get in here and show you how the shower is. All right. All right, let's check it out. So right up front is the toilet. That's my bag. So what I love about this is they got all the shower heads. And if I want, I can turn them all on at the same time. Hi, that's me. This is my breakfast that I got from here that I'm going to eat when I'm done. I tried to eat that biscuit. It was not happening, so I had them just add eggs. All right. So let me get ready. It's me on my way back from the shower. Shadow. I'm loving it. I look like a superhero.